class we discussed trigonometry ratios of some specific angles. Now today we are going to discuss trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now tell me, what are the complementary angles? The sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Then those angles are called complementary angles. If sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then those angles are called complementary angles. What are the supplementary angles? The sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. If sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then those angles are called supplementary angles. So what is the complementary of 30 degrees? Complement of 30 degrees, 60 degrees. Complement of 50 degrees, 40 degrees, because 50 plus 40 is 90. What is the complement of 25? 90 minus 25, 90 minus 25, that is equal to 75. So like this you can find the complement angles. Now we are going to discuss the complement angles of trigonometry. Trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. Consider a right triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Angle B is, it is triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. Then what are the complementary angles here? In triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. If angle B is 90, then A plus C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Sum of A and C is 90 degrees. Therefore, A and C are called complementary angles. Now, suppose let angle A is equal to theta. Then, what is angle C? 90 minus theta. If angle A is equal to theta, then angle C is equal to 90 minus theta, because A plus C is equal to 90 degrees. So I am taking theta at A. Now already we know that what is sin trigonometry ratios. Here what is sin theta? Right here. What is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. That is BC by AC. Cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent, BC by AB. Now cot theta, sorry, cosecant theta is equal to reciprocal of sine, that is AC by BC. Now secant theta, what is secant theta? Reciprocal of cos, that is AC by AB. What is cot theta? Reciprocal of tan, that is AB by BC. Next, what is the angle C value? 90 minus theta. Now I am taking the trigonometry ratios for angle C. That is sin 90 minus theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse AB by AC. Cos 90 minus theta adjacent by hypotenuse BC by AC. Tan 90 minus theta opposite by adjacent AB by BC. Cosecant 90 minus theta reciprocal of sine, that is AC by AB. Secant 90 minus theta reciprocal of cos, that is AC by BC. Cot 90 minus theta reciprocal of tan, that is BC by AB. If you observe this sin theta value, trigonometry ratios of theta and trigonometry ratios of 90 minus theta, we see BC by AC. Where is BC by AC here? These two are equal, cos 90 minus theta. Here cos theta is AB by AC. This AB by AC is equal to here sin 90 minus theta. Now tan theta is BC by AB. Where is this BC by AB? Here cot 90 minus theta. Cosecant theta is AC by BC. So where is AC by BC here? Secant 90 minus theta. So here secant theta is AC by AB. Where is AC by AB? Here cosecant 90 minus theta. So cot theta is AB by BC. So where is AB by BC? That tan 90 minus theta. So from this we can understand that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta. Next, secant theta is equal to, so where is this secant theta equal to cosecant 90 minus theta? These two are equal. Cosecant 90 minus theta. Next, cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. These two are equal, AB by AC. So cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So these are the trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. These are the trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. This is true for when theta is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 90. This is true for theta greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 90. Next, we'll discuss some trigonometric identities. Now we are going to discuss trigonometric identities. So now, from 8th class onwards, we are studying the identities. Can you tell me what is an identity? What is an identity? An equation which is true for all real values is called an identity. An equation which is true for all real values is called an identity. Now can you tell me some algebraic identities? What are the algebraic identities? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, like this, and etc. Now we are going to discuss three main trigonometric identities. Consider a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. I am taking the theta at C. Now what is the sin theta? Sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Cos theta, BC by AC. Tan theta, AB by BC. Cosecant theta, reciprocal of sine, that is AC by AB. Secant theta, reciprocal of cos, AC by BC. Cot theta, reciprocal of tan, that is BC by AB. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. In this triangle, apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is the hypotenuse AC? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now divide throughout the equation with AC square. So AC square by AC square is equal to AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. AC square gets cancelled. Then AB square by AC square can be written as AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. Here AC square cancelled, that is equal to 1. Now from this side in ratios, where is AB by AC? AB by AC is sin theta. So in the place of AB by AC you can write sin theta. But AB by AC whole square, then you can write sin square theta. BC by AC is cos theta. So you can write cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is the first identity. So what is the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this one we can write two more auxiliary formulas. That is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here theta range is 0, theta greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 90. It is true for theta greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 90. This identity is true for this one. Next, again consider the Pythagoras theorem. So that is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now divide the throughout the equation with BC square. So that is AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. BC square gets cancelled. AB by BC. So where is that AB by BC? AB by BC is tan theta. So this one is, you can write tan square theta plus 1 is equal to AC by BC secant theta. So you can write secant square theta. So what is this identity? Second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. This is the second identity. From this one you can write secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Next, tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Now consider again the Pythagoras theorem. So here trigonometric identity is 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. We will give the condition 0 greater than or equal to, so theta greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to, theta greater than 0 less than or equal to 90. Why it is not equal to 0? Why theta is not equal to 0? Here, what is the secant 0? Secant 0 is 1, but tan 0 is the condition is mistaken. 0 theta greater than or equal to 0 less than 90. This condition is wrong. Theta greater than or equal to 0 and less than 90. Why? Because tan 90 is how much? What is the tan 90? Tan 90 is not defined. Secant 90 also not defined. Why? Not equal to 90 here, theta means tan 90 not defined and secant 90 also not defined. That's why the condition is theta greater than or equal to 0 less than 90. It is not equal to 90. Now consider Pythagoras identity one more time. So what is that identity? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now divide throughout the equation with AB square. That is AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square is equal to AC square by AB square. AB square gets cancelled. That is 1 plus BC by AB. So where is the BC by AB? BC by AB is cot theta. So this one you can write cot square theta. AC square by AB square. AC by AB is cosecant theta. So there is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. This is the third identity. From this one you can write cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1 and cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Here the theta condition is 0. So theta greater than 0 and less than 90. Less than or equal to 90. Theta greater than 0, less than or equal to 90. Why here theta not equal to 0? Because what is the cot 0? Cot 0 is not defined and cosecant 0 also not defined. Why theta not equal to 0? Cot 0 not defined. Cosecant 0 not defined. So these three are the trigonometric identities. We can apply these trigonometric identities to solve the problems. This is very useful identities. These are